Hello, this is Nancy Myers, your association executive, and I wanted to take you on a quick tour on how to send an email to yourself by selecting certain properties. So with that, let's get started. As you can see right here, I'm in the search criteria, and I have only selected active, state, county, city, and zip code, and a price under 400,000. Just a simple search yields us 13 matches. Here we go, results. And as you see the single line display of results, I just want to select a few to be emailed to me. I'm just going to click on the ones that I want to go to me. Then I'm going into the bottom tab here where I can email. And then I'm going to send it to myself. Oh, at GDWCAR. Oops. All right. Just got to make sure we put our email in correctly. Subject line, my search. Again, spelling, and then whatever you want in the body, but simply that's how you will send selected properties in an email to yourself. Then I just hit send, and there you have it. So those selected properties were emailed to me, and I can now preview them. So that concludes the tutorial for today. I hope you have a great day.